video.
Okay, so this is the Laughing Gamer,
Lose your phone
and welcome.
I'm not kidding with you.
So this is how it's working.
Last one and only fucking warning.
So I'm
That's
new
it.
to
You
this.
stick your DS and you lose the phone.
Oh yeah, and we could had a very good Christmas. As you can see, we had a very good Christmas.
There's on video.
And here's Dad.
It doesn't matter. Don't put me on the video and you have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Mommy, Eden, you don't have to pour for the whole video. You can get some cuts in it, like some parts where you can for a minute.
So this is Johnny Ghost. He's starting to make his own videos and not just me. And by the way, always play like this, or otherwise it's not full screen. It's like that. Always go like this and it's full screen. So make the video like that. And nope, you forgot something.
I know.
Turn it back. And hello,
and this is my brother.
And Liam, I'll teach you how to upload them later, okay?
And then
So
here's our toys.
this is how we've been doing it.
Toys,
I'm bored.
Toys everywhere.
I'm bored.
And here we going to my brother.
Hello. Wait, no. Hello. Twin cameras. Oh yeah. Wait, nope. Twin cameras. Here's a twin camera.
And then here
camera.
And here we are.
Oh yeah.
We're back from Toronto. We're back from the Toronto. We're back from Toronto.
I'm the Laughing Gamer.
And here we go to this room.
Get out of the kitchen, Liam.
Hello.
And to this place, the outside.
Hey, that's my camera.
With all the
You're squishing me, Liam. You're squishing me. You're squishing me. Yeah.
Here's all the snow outside.
Why?
Snow. And here we go with Daddy. Daddy. Here we go with Daddy. And here we go with my brother again. He's crying. And
Okay.
it didn't snow on Christmas.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm here. I'm here.
Don't touch the blinds. Look at the blinds.
And then
Fix the
I
blinds.
didn't-
Fix the blinds.
I didn't touch it.
I know. They moved on their own, but keep an eye
No,
on them.
Aiden pushed me into the blinds. Here we go.
What? I can't move it?
I know. It was stuck on the piece of wood.
Why
Mouthpiece.
did I cord you? I didn't mean to do it. Mommy, I didn't mean to cord you. I'm sorry.
Who called?
Mommy, why did I cord you 2 times? I'm sorry, Mom. Really am sorry. I didn't mean to. I really am sorry.
You're gonna
This
be more
is the
sorry
Laughing
for your
Gamer.
fucking phone.
This
I
is the
didn't
Laughing
mean to.
Gamer.
I did it by
And
accident.
welcome.
Liam, stop being accident prone.
Video.
Don't do that by accident anymore. Understood?
Okay, so we're just gonna lie down now. I'm bored. I don't know what to do.
Sorry for that little cut over there. And here, sorry for that little cut. And
Here you go back now. We can, yeah. Oh yeah, we can do it
And
now.
are you going to continue to be retarded?
Sorta.
here we are for 6 minutes or so. Here for an hour or so, we are just coming here and waiting for something to really happen.
And we'll vlog that.
And here we are.
Okay.
Get something before. We're bored a little bit. We're bored a little bit, and we need to do something before we have to
Go
observe.
get your drink, please.
Aiden's
Okay.
taking some medicine.
Okay, you don't need to tell them everything. You know that, right?
I should call that Chris
You don't need to tell them everything.
What?
Okay, sorry. So this video is gonna be uploaded. It's just I had to take my medicine, like what my brother said or whatever.